come to the that is a style.css file. Open the style.css file. In a style.css file, the first priority to arrange this menu. Okay, it should fit properly. In CSS file, we have UL, li. For li, you have given the padding 25, 18, 25, 18, 25. E tag, we are given the font size 22 pixel. So when it's come in a small device, we need to play with the padding as well as font size. Okay, font size we can reduce, padding we can make 0, page will fit properly. Next, come to the end of the page. At end of the page, you write a media query first for the very small device. @media screen and minimum hyphen width 1 pixel and max width 600 pixel or 650 pixel. You keep 650 pixel. Okay, don't write semicolon after pixel. 1 px you have written, no semicolon after that. 650 pixel you have written, no semicolon after that. Okay, that should be just simple 1 px and the last should be 650 px. Next, after this, we have UL tag and li tag. For UL, what is the ID you have given? Main menu of, right? So this 2 section you copy. Go in the beginning, copy this 2 section and come down to the media query. And in media query, we need to only change only the padding part. And here we need to change only the font size. Everything will be same. Menu of li of A. First, reduce the font size 16 px. px. Next, after that, padding reduce to 10 px only from all side. And both the places mark exclamation important. Exclamation important. Check now, make a small size. Now it is a small window. Any changes happen? Font size is related. Any font size related changes? In very small size. This happen like this, correct? Like this. Up to 600, it will be similar. After 600, it will go something here there. Now you can see here, still two menu is overlapping. So up to 600 pixel, we can keep three menu in one line, and through menu we can shift in the new line. So for that, we can, for li, you can write the width somewhere 30%. Padding and all is applied already. So I believe it should move to the new line after three element. Three only are coming in one line, not gone. You will have li width, how much? 30%. Okay, so width will get applied if you keep display in line block. Display hyphen in a line hyphen block. Then width property will apply. Display in line block, then width property should apply. I will confirm once, then you can try. Only two are coming. They're expecting for three because padding margin we are given already. Let's write 25%. So many paddings are applied, because of that three is not able to fit. Okay. Create account is moving to the new line. We can try to give 50%. 50 not, let's give less than that. Display two menu in one line. Then see, too many you tried. How much width you given? 40% or 45? Give 40% width up to 600 pixel and two menus should come. Two menus should come. More than that, we can keep three menu, and more than that, we can display all. So this here, this will be okay. Working? Two menu?
Yes, sir. Create new account is going on new balance.
So two menu will come in one line. Two and two, like four will come in two line. See, two and create account go on to the new line. This will be up to 650. Up to 650 it will cover. More than 650 it will go something like this. Now we can write a media query for more than 650. Same you copy and paste below. So hope you are writing. I will share this code also in the chat. Media screen and $651 to $850. Give this menu 30%. 30% menu of it. 28% you can write. Padding you can increase. 13px. Font size also you can increase. 19px. And save it.
Becoming online who are going to new balance.
Okay, so till here is fine. No more than that we have to write. Okay. 852,000 pixel. 852,000 pixel. We will just reduce the font size and we will reduce the padding. Okay, will not apply the width and display line. So copy this again. Working clear. Let me share you second media block. media screen and 851 to 1000 pixel. 851 to 1000 pixel. Remove display inline and width. Only padding keep 16 or 15 pixel, and font size let it be 20 pixel. All same. Okay. So font size is little small. This is also fine. Menu is fitting properly. See, well-trained system according to device, according to space, automatically shifting the place and changing the font size, everything. Sequence working. Now we need to work on below section. Below section, what we have, if you are in a small device, this welcome home is looking like out of the window. Such a big font size, it should become small. And okay, these icons are just directly, so leave that. When we come to service file, a small device, there should not be two column. You can see paragraph here printing in two column. It should become only one column. And the services is printing here, overlapping here there. It should be display only one service in one line. Next should go to the new line. Those we need to work. Then the page will become. So what is the class for that? H1 we have written directly H1, right? H1 is direct H1. Okay. So come to the mobile media query, that is 1 pixel to 650. Go to the first media query, 1 pixel to 650 pixel. In that, you write in the last H1. For H1, font size should be how much? 30 pixel will be okay. If a screen is between 1 pixel to 650 pixel, H1 font size should be 30 pixel. Oh, single line. Now related to paragraph. What is the class for this paragraph? ID is two calls. Okay, TWOCOLS. 2 calls. You can write in mobile case as 2 calls column hyphen count should be 1. Column count 1. So all should display in 1 column. Column count 1. Applied. Only 1 column. Now this one. What is the class name? Service. This class name is service. Column count 1. This all we are writing in the between this flower bracket. 1 pixel to 650 megapixel you have written. You are writing all inside. Now, service we have written. What is the margin for that? 2% and padding 1%. 6%, right? 6% is the space already we have consumed. Now you will write dot service, and for that the width will be 100% minus 6%, 94%. Then it will cover full width. Right? So using media query, we are identifying the overlapping point and we are changing their property. So people ask in interview, what is media query? We can say it's a part of CSS3. Using that, we can find out the screen size of user computer. And if you are able to find out the screen size of user computer, then we can write the different CSS for that. And according to a screen, we can rearrange the content. And that is called a responsive page. One in one line, second in the next line, and third in the next line. So a small user also happy, big user also happy. Now see, this all you wrote for the mobile phone, correct? If it will go more than 60 pixel, then this 2 line is okay. Column count 2 is fine, but the service 2 are coming in one line. 2 service are coming in one line. Up to 850 pixel, display only one column. Display only one column. After that, we can display 2 columns. More than 800. Come to media query. Let's come down. Copy this service section. Go to the second device. 651 to 850. In that, For this, let it be only one. Up to 800, only one service or two service. How bigger it will be? Not happen. See, okay, so up to 800, one is fine. Yes, in a small two till 800, one is 850, one is okay. One is okay. Till here, one is okay. One is okay. More than that, we can display two. H1 is coming big size. Okay. Till here is little big only. Let's modify that. H1 also. We are under the second media query. 651 to 850. Font size 40 px. 40 px. Font size 40 px. Okay, given. So font size should be controlled now. 40 will be okay. Two column is also fine. The service is also coming one in one block up to 850, no problem. After 850, we need to think. Two should come in one line. It should utilize the half and half. Okay, remaining font size is okay. So copy the service block, service CSS. See now, hope you have written in the first media query, H1 font size is 30 and then service is 94 pixel. In the second media queries, H1 is 40 pixel and the service is of 94%. What is the next? 851 to 1000 pixel. Okay, in that H1 is okay. Only we need to modify service 44 pixel, 44%. So two will fit in one line. And one service will go to the main line. Let us see. Oh, for me, only one is coming here. Only one is coming. 44%, right? Reduce little, maybe padding we have used here there. 42. Check 42. 42 will be okay. 43, how? 43 is also okay. What about 44? Okay, so 43 it will manage. 43 it will manage. Okay, now after this, the page become responsive for all type of devices. Footer also, what is happening in footer? Text is bigger, no problem. Anyhow, three links are separate only, no? The footer is managed. Upper section was unable to manage, so that you modified now. So overall, your page become as a responsive page. All type of user will be happy. Mobile phone user will not say, I have opened your website, but it was not coming proper. Okay. If some kids will open the website in the laptop, then he will say, what he will say? There is a booth inside the website. Okay. If I'm making the mobile like this, straight, only one is coming here, but when I'm making like this, two are coming in online. Okay, so next after this, we need to work on next folder that is called media query, not media query, import CSS. According to need, we can use the media query wherever required. CSS file is shared in the chat, please replace it. If any error not working proper, you can replace the CSS file. HTML is same, there is no modification in HTML. CSS file was changes in CSS file. So I've shared you can use this also. Color
I think so different tasks there.
दे दो आप. You have a menu, no? हाँ, बदल दीजिए. One person will say your eye is not working properly. In my system, it is navigation is blue color. In your system, it is orange color. How can you say your eye is not working? Go and check up. Will happen or not? In a small device, if you change the background as a red, say one person will say, I have some problem in my eyes. When I'm looking into a small move for my phone, this is looking red color. Big laptop, I can see the blue color. Okay. Okay. 1 minute, we come back. Next, we'll work on import CSS folder. Yes. Yes. Okay, now we'll go to the next folder. That is called import CSS. Everything is same, only one line will change. So in import CSS, create again one file. In import CSS, create one file, style.css. This will go under the import CSS. Style.css and create one more file, home.html. Home.html. Come inside CSS file. For body tag, we can write again margin 0px and minimum height 2000 pixel. Minimum height 2000 pixel. Next, after that, you write one, maybe you can use the ID hasnap inside that, not hasnap, only nav. Nav is the tag name. Nav, you can write background, some color, then padding, nav of A, color as white, margin left 40 pixel, font size 22 pixel, text decoration none. Nav of A, body nav of A. Now you can come to the CSS HTML file. We can come to the HTML file. In home file, you can follow now HTML. Follow the head section and open the style tag. Close the style tag. Inside the style tag, @import space URL, import space URL, style.css. This is the difference. While calling in the link, other method, external CSS, we have follow link tag, link rel. Using link rel, you are linking to the CSS file. Now, instead of using the link rel, you are using the import URL, import method. Okay, remaining all 100% same. No other changes. Only one line of difference. Right here, UL tag, not UL tag, enable tag. Under NAV, right here, HRA, something, home. Next, you can follow some 4x menus. About us. Our services. Vectors. Login. That's it. That CSS should get applied here. In navigation should appear. If CSS get applied, should look like this. This is called import CSS. Okay. Check once, confirm also. Is your page is loading? Looks similar or something else? Next, after this, write a next section tag. In that, write ID equal to about. H1 you can follow. Write some text below. Now let's come to the CSS file. There we write hash about. Hash about. Width should be 80%. Margin should be auto. Padding 40 pixel. Text align center. This is for about section. That should come in the middle. Give little more padding. 50 px. Write a background. Sky blue color. Border radius you can write. And px. It should leave some space from top. Okay. Margin auto you have written from top. Margin tpx auto and then 50 px. Okay, so from top and bottom gap will be of 50 pixel. Something like this. Now what should happen when you scroll down? And you scroll down the page, everything will go up. Right? When you scroll down, everything will go up. We want this about us should go up, but as soon as it should touch the upper part, like it should touch the end of the screen, it should stop. Something like this. When it go here, you can scroll here, scroll, no problem. As soon as this touch here, after that, it should not go anywhere. It should fix there. That is called position sticky. Position sticky. If a certain condition will happen, then position will become fixed. Okay, that's called position sticky. Come to the code. In about only, right? Top 0px. Then position sticky. From top, if 0 pixel will happen, then position will be sticky. It will fixed. It will not scroll up anymore. Okay, something like this. This will keep scrolling, but this will remain fixed. Check now, till here, working.
Going up, sir.
Check position property.
Positions on hand.
Top how much?
So,
Some other problem. Okay, close this. Go there to the folder. Folder. From here. Go to that file. Double click on home. Now check. Because if you run through the server will refresh after some time. Server will not refresh immediately. If server refresh after some time, output will also come after some time. Here is the output. You can see there is a gap from the top. When I scroll down, it's become fixed now. A scroller will come down, but about us will be there only. Once will go up, then it will come down. But it will be fixed at this place. That is called position sticky. After that section, we will create another blocks now. In one section, we'll create 3-4 blocks. When you scroll up, you will find the below section will go, but the about us will be there only. We'll go to the HTML first. After this section, create another section. Give here ID call service. Okay, or ID call. Okay, service. Inside that, you will keep division class equal to my service. That right here, software, hardware, marketing, something. Marketing, then you can write for something. Written. Come to the CSS page now for service and my service. Has service, padding, 100 pixel, background, some color, blue color. So it should come like full width, full width. Give some height also. Mean height you can give 300 pixel. If content will be more, it will increase automatically. Next, we can write the CSS for my service as a class. Follow the margin 1-2%. Text align center. Background white. Background white. Font size. Font size 60 pixel. Will be very big, 50 pixel. Then margin you have written okay. Let's write some padding also. From top 40 pixel, left right 0 pixel, from bottom 40 pixel. Font size we have written, display inline block. display inline hyphen block. Display inline block. So it look like this. It become congested. Whereas we have not mentioned because of that. Width, how much will be? 4 you have block. 4 or 3? 4 are there. So will come 21% width. Font size you can reduce to 40 pixel. Width once we apply, then it may look better. Check it. Oh, it's went down. Why? Because display inline I have written. Okay. Inline block 20.50. Will fit in one line. Okay, check it now. Border radius you can give. Border hyphen radius 5 pixel. And box hyphen shadow also 0 px, 0 px, 10 px, white color. Box is white, surrounding shadow also will be white. Yeah, the reason is going up. This will look like this. When you scroll up, this will be here only. Service will go down. Navigation will also be there. When we scroll up, X and it will go down. So this is called sticky position sticky. Shadow is not coming. Oh, shadow is coming in. For body tag, I'll give background sky blue.
That is coming from all the sides.
Mhm.
It is reading 0, 0 values. What's the meaning of that?
0, 0. First 0 is from the left side. Second 0 is from top side. So from left also no any kind of margin. From top also no any kind of margin. Means equal gap in the left, equal gap in the top. If left and top is equal gap, definitely right and bottom will be equal. And then you are writing number how much? 10 and white. 10 pixel is the density of the shadow. And white is the color of the shadow. 10 pixel is the density of the shadow and white is the color of the shadow. Now see it look like this. When I go up, this will become fixed and this will keep going on. It look like this. Sky blue color combination. Background is also sky blue. And then this division also is sky blue. It's not looking as cross color. It will feel like, okay, something went, someone has stopped. And again, he is coming down, mixed with other. Something like this. For body tag, you can give background, same color. Which way? There is this two file. I have created somewhere else where I created under the 7 AM folder I created. Oh. Both file is sent in your chat. You can use that. If anything went wrong. I sent the file and still it was not sent. I cut from there. Then it is saying like still file was not delivered and source is deleted. So one is saying waiting. Second one is delivered. Okay, so check now. File came in chat. Next class, some more property we have, we'll cover, and then next step. Practice those part. Which part? CSS. All completed assignment? Some more are there. Try karo aap. Company give difficult task only, no? Company will not say create 3 blocks in one line.